POparella's gourmet popcorn and treats is known for its unique tongue-tingling flavors of popcorn, fudge, and candies of all kinds. So let's go inside and check it out.
We got started with the business because I got a little bit tired of the corporate world and wanted to do something on our own. And the family got together and decided that this would be a great adventure for us all because we all like people, we like to cook, we're creative. It was better than a restaurant for us. How many flavors of popcorn do we have? Right now we have about 58 on hand. We come up with the flavors through different ways, customers, employees, and whatever I dream at night. We try just about anything. If it can go on popcorn, we can do it. The most popular flavor is our peanut butter chocolate in our chocolate category. Dill pickle is in our seasoned category, but caramel and cheese are just everybody's favorite. We do help a lot of people put their weddings together when they're having popcorn and candy bars, and we can package individual favor bags for weddings, bulk items. We have a trailer that we pull around with our 1923 hot rod that we can pop popcorn on site. POparella's gourmet popcorn attracts people because we're an experience. When you come here, you have fun. We bring back memories for people with our nostalgic candy. We have a lot of different things to choose from. We bring our biscottis in from Pittsburgh. We make all our popcorn here. We make our fudge here. There's just a lot to look at. There's a lot to taste. There's a lot to try.
If you're ever in Frisco or in need of some popcorn for your next at-home movie night, well, POparella's gourmet popcorn and treats is where you want to go. Remember, it's not just about popcorn, it's an experience. I'm Jessica Covington with Big Review TV. See you next time.